Hello guys, today I'll show you how to keep your exhaust flap open on a BMW V8. So most BMWs V8 have flap here, exhaust flap, usually dual exhaust, but then there is a flap on one of them. So what you need to do is you need to keep it open to get that kind of rumble. So the way this thing works here, as you can see here, this flap, this is in an open position right now, and I zip tied it to the hanger. Not really the hanger, it's like the body of the bracket that's the actuator is sitting on, is bolted to. So anyways, when it's in open position, it's up here. When it's in the closed position, this flips down here. So there is like a shaft, not really a shaft, but this here, put my finger in, this here rotates, and this rotates with it, and there is the flap is sitting in here. So this flap here, you can see there's this, the other side of it, there is like a shaft in here, and then there is a flap in here, it opens and closes. And what you want to do is you want to keep it in the open position. So once you have it in the open position, you just put a zip tie like so, and it'll stay open even though if the car tries to close it, it doesn't really matter. And you can just cut this off, the excess, leave it hanging here, it doesn't really matter. You might make some rattles, so I'm just gonna cut it off here. So anyways, you remove this bracket. This is a 2020 X5 50i. There's this bracket here. There's your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts carrying it. So it's the other side here. See? 1, 2, and there's 3, 4, 5, and 6. So once you remove them, that whole thing will drop down, and then you'll have access to the valve that's sitting inside. So the way I opened it was using a Bimmer Link app, and it has exhaust flap, so you can open it and close it. And yeah, just open it in the app. I'll show you the screenshot here, and then zip tie the valve open. Some people unplug the solenoid, so you can unplug the solenoid, but make sure you isolate it, like insulate it from water or anything like that, debris. You can do that as well. Just unplug it when the valve is open. Otherwise, zip tie should work just fine. And that's about it. Once the car, even if the car tries to close it, it won't close, and no damage is done. Anytime you can cut the zip tie, and everything is reversed back. Alright, hope this helps. Thank you very much.